Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make snack using the yellow split peas. For this we will be needing 2 cups of yellow split peas, and this need to be soaked for about 6 hours. And then we will drain the water and grind it. We need to add coriander leaves, cumin seeds, onions, ginger and garlic. We will also need curry leaves, spring onions and chili. And if you don't have any curry leaves, you can always use thyme. So this is the yellow split peas, which I've soaked about 5 to 6 hours ago. It's now ready. As you can see, I can just press on it and break it into 2 pieces. So that's actually showing that it's ready. So I'm just going to grind it now, and then we'll be adding all the other things to it. Right, we're now going to put the soaked peas in the mixer bowl and grind it. So you might need some water, so keep it at hand so we can use it when you need it. After adding the water, just put the top on and then start grinding. Right, we have now grinded it. We'll just put it back in a mixer bowl. As you can see, I didn't make it too smooth on purpose. Okay then, so the paste is now ready, and I'm just going to add onions to it, cumin, ginger and garlic, curry leaves, chili, coriander and spring onions. All goes in. Do a nice mixture. Don't forget to add your salt. You could actually taste the paste if you're in any doubt. This is now ready. I'm going to stop here with this one. Right, let's turn on the cooker. I'm going to now add oil to the pan, and yeah, you need a little bit more, and we need to wait for it to heat up. Make sure you have a container with some tissues on it, so you can put the snack in it after it's been fried, so it can absorb the excess oil from it. Now that the oil is hot, we're going to make small balls with the mixture and put it in the oil to fry. You have to be careful not to touch the oil. And to make the ball, we will have to do it with our hands. Remember, the flame has to be on medium heat so the snack can cook inside. Make sure you stir now and then to make sure it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan, and fry evenly. As you can see, this is now brown all over, just an indication that it's ready. I'm now going to lower the heat and then take this out of the oil, put it straight in the tissue paper here, in the container we got ready earlier. There you go. The split pea snack are now ready, and they can be served with chili sauce or ketchup.